The art of public speaking is a skill that transcends mere communication. It is an intricate dance of words, gestures, and emotions that can captivate, inspire, and persuade. While some seem to possess this ability effortlessly, for many, the journey towards mastery is a challenging yet rewarding pursuit. In this expansive exploration of the art of public speaking, we will delve into the nuances of effective communication, dissect the anatomy of a compelling speech, and unravel the secrets to conquering the fear that often accompanies standing before an audience. To embark on this journey, it is crucial to understand that public speaking is not an innate talent reserved for a select few. Rather, it is a craft that can be honed through dedicated practice, continuous learning, and a willingness to step outside one's comfort zone. The foundation of successful public speaking lies in the mastery of language, the art of choosing words that resonate with the audience, crafting sentences that flow seamlessly, and delivering messages with clarity and conviction. The power of effective communication extends beyond the spoken word. Non-verbal cues play a pivotal role in conveying messages and connecting with an audience. From the subtle nuances of body language to the expressiveness of facial expressions, each element contributes to the overall impact of a speaker. Understanding the interplay between verbal and non-verbal communication is essential for anyone seeking to excel in the art of public speaking. Moreover, the structure of a speech is akin to the skeleton of a body. It provides the framework upon which the rest is built. A well-organized speech follows a logical progression, guiding the audience from introduction to conclusion with a sense of coherence and purpose. In this regard, mastering the art of outlining and structuring a speech is a fundamental skill that every aspiring speaker should cultivate. One of the most daunting challenges for many individuals when it comes to public speaking is the fear of judgment and rejection. This fear, often referred to as stage fright, can be a formidable barrier to effective communication. Overcoming stage fright requires a combination of self-awareness, preparation, and techniques to manage anxiety. By embracing this fear as a natural part of the process and employing strategies to channel nervous energy positively, speakers can transform stage fright into a source of empowerment. The use of rhetorical devices is another aspect that elevates a speech from ordinary to extraordinary. From the persuasive power of ethos, pathos, and logos to the artful use of metaphors, analogies, and repetition, rhetorical devices add depth and resonance to a speaker's message. Understanding how to wield these tools effectively can enhance the persuasive impact of a speech and leave a lasting impression on the audience. In the digital age, where virtual communication is increasingly prevalent, adapting public speaking skills to various platforms is imperative. From video conferencing to webinars and podcasts, the principles of effective communication remain constant, but the nuances of delivery may vary. Navigating the intricacies of virtual communication requires a blend of technical proficiency, charisma, and adaptability, skills that are crucial for the modern speaker. Beyond the technicalities of speechcraft, the art of public speaking is intrinsically linked to the ability to connect with an audience emotionally. A compelling speaker not only conveys information but also evokes feelings, creating a shared experience that resonates with listeners. The art of crafting a speech that is both intellectually stimulating and emotionally engaging is a delicate balance that distinguishes exceptional speakers from the ordinary. As we delve into the art of public speaking, it is essential to acknowledge the diverse forms this skill can take. Whether addressing a small group, delivering a keynote address to a large audience, or participating in a panel discussion, each context presents its own set of challenges and opportunities. Adapting one's speaking style to suit the specific demands of each situation is a hallmark of a versatile and accomplished speaker. In conclusion, the art of public speaking is a multifaceted discipline that combines linguistic prowess, nonverbal communication, organizational skills, and emotional intelligence. It is a journey of self-discovery, growth, an empowerment that extends far beyond the boundaries of the stage. By embracing the principles and techniques explored in this comprehensive examination, aspiring speakers can embark on a transformative odyssey towards mastering the captivating and influential art of public speaking.